A ZANU-PF Youth League, who challenged President Emmerson Mnangagwa's legitimacy following the 2017 coup, has pledged his support for Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Zvachizoendwa manje takuona kuti vakomana ava veYouth League mukati momomo takutoona kuti matova nevamwe vanapongwe vatova against mutungamiri wenyika vachiti aiwa no matter what we are going to support Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapinda masvika nomudanyogwa panapa totobva subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munomunyigwa muchinzi. This comes amid reports that ZANU-PF is planning to sideline the former army general, who is a critical stumbling block against plans to extend Mnangagwa's term of office beyond 2028. Chiwenga is believed to be a front runner to succeed the ZANU-PF leader. Musengezi believes that Chiwenga sacrificed a lot when he led the military to overthrow the late former President Robert in November 2017 before giving Mnangagwa power on a silver platter. The brave ZANU-PF youth pledged to stand with Chiwenga during the ongoing factionalism in ZANU-PF. We support CHAMISA on August 23 as a matter of principle. If it's true that VP Chiwenga is no longer wanted as ZANU-PF, we will fully support him as a matter of principle also. Domashika nobudai chogwa panapa aiwa ne this youth league arikachiti aiwa takasapota wanyangwe na nelsonchamisa pama August 23 elections. Saka kana iri meta iripo iri on the table izvezvi iri kuda kuadresewa aiwa tiyamira na Constantino Chiwenga anoda kuti akasacrifice a lot kuti awa mutungamiri wenyika iripo izvezvi aatene zvaari. Saka why is it people vasingachamu recognize why is it vakuda kumusideline, why is it vakuda kungomuthrow away. Mashoko ari kubuda panapa chiputitse mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.